Hello folks, it's Jenny Timms here of Vitreus Art, just bringing you a new little video to show you our new workshop. We're going to be teaching traditional stained glass painting. In this we're going to be using oxides, which is this messy black lump of oxide mixed up here. I'm going to be teaching you how to mix the oxides with water and also with oils. There's two different methods of mixing your oxides, so I'll be teaching you that. I'll also be teaching you how to use lots of different brushes and implements to create mark making on your glass. Initially you'll be learning how to do mark making on a piece of clear glass, and you'll learn how to use all the different types of brushes, the porcupine quill, decorator scrapers. This one's actually for cake decorating. So any implements that we can use to make marks in our paint. So that's what we'll be doing first thing after we've done health and safety. We're then going to go on to creating a design on coloured glass. So this is traditional art glass, same as we use for making stained glass panels. On this particular workshop we're just going to be doing a little image, something that you've created yourself or you've found, a little bit of research before the workshop in finding an image that you would like to create. So I'm going to teach you, as I say, all the different brushes that we're going to be using, the mixing of the oxides, the health and safety behind that. The workshop is an afternoon workshop, starts at 1 o'clock, and all the details are now live on our website. So just pop over to the website, check out the stained glass painting page, and it'll give you all the details there. And we look forward to seeing you soon. Cheers!